In this video, I'm just going to answer the question, why all the hubbub, like all the talk and all the hype about this Working Hands hand cream? And I should just say that I, work with my hands for a living. So I do, construction, manual labor type stuff, and my hands, especially in the wintertime, will just be wrecked. So I started using this a couple years ago, and here's how it works. It's kind of like a heavy-duty cream. It's not going to pour out or anything. And I'll just take a little bit and rub it on the driest parts. Now you can go whole hog and get a big old dab of this stuff and rub it on your whole hands if you want to, but it doesn't last forever. You can go through, if you use it quickly, you can go through a can of this stuff in a couple of weeks. So I try to be a little bit sparing with it. But why all the hype about this stuff? Well, basically two things I think are really great about this this hand cream. Number one, the stuff works, man. It is kind of waxy. Water, glycerin, stearic acid, sodium hydroxide, paraffin. Paraffin, man, it's got wax in it, so it feels a little bit waxy. All right, so number one is just that it works. Like, it really does repair your hands if you're religious about it. If you just use it one time, forget about it. But if you do it like a couple times a day, in the same places, before you go to bed, when you wake up, that kind of thing. Number two, in comparison to some others that I've used, like Udder Cream and some others, some of those will kind of wreak havoc on your hands over time. Like, they will actually make you peel. So I don't know what's up with that, but they just don't have the longevity. This stuff, you can use it for a long time and it doesn't mess you up, I have heard some people say it makes their hands burn, if you have cracks and stuff. I haven't experienced that myself, but I know my wife kind of talks about it. So anyway, this stuff's good. If you're going to use it, get one can of it. But if you really get into it, you're going to have to buy a couple because it goes kind of quick.